In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discounts on prepaid orders in Shopify. We're going to walk through the overall process step by step, so by the end, you'll understand how discounts work in Shopify, how to set them up, and how to make sure they apply properly to prepaid orders. I'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along in your own store as you watch. First, open your Shopify admin and sign into your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Discounts. This is where all discount codes and automatic discounts are created and managed. Go ahead and click on Discounts to open that page. Inside the Discounts page, you'll see two main types of discounts you can work with: discount codes and automatic discounts. Discount codes require customers to enter a code at checkout, while automatic discounts are applied automatically when certain conditions are met. For prepaid orders, both options can work, but automatic discounts usually give a smoother experience since the customer doesn't have to remember a code. Let's start with creating a discount code. Click on the button to create a new discount, then choose Discount Code. Enter a simple, easy-to-remember name for your code, something your customers will recognize. Under Types, choose whether you want a percentage discount, a fixed amount, or maybe free shipping. Most prepaid order promotions use a percentage discount, like 10% off when the order is paid up front. Next, scroll down to the Applies To section. Here you can choose whether the discount applies to all products, specific collections, or selected items. If your prepaid offer is only for certain products or bundles, make sure to choose those specific items so the discount doesn't apply store-wide by accident. Now, set the minimum purchase requirements. For prepaid discounts, you might want to require a minimum order value, so the offer only applies when customers spend a certain amount. You can also limit how many times a single customer can use the code to keep the promotion under control. Most importantly, look at the eligibility and active dates. Make sure the discount is available to all customers, and then decide when it should start and end. If you're running a limited time offer on prepaid orders, set clear start and end dates so you don't have to remember to switch it off later. When everything looks good, save your discount code. If you prefer an automatic discount instead, the process is very similar. Choose Automatic Discount, set the value, conditions, and date range, and save. Shopify will automatically apply it at checkout when the customer meets those conditions and pays for the order up front. Once you've set things up, always test the discount yourself. Add the prepaid products to your cart, go to checkout, and either enter the code or confirm that the automatic discount appears. If it works correctly, you're ready to share the offer with your customers and start encouraging more prepaid orders in your Shopify store.